Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with writing, filming, and editing your own videos, you're gonna love this, because Heygen just launched something seriously cool. Their brand new Video Agent feature, and this tool can literally take your idea and turn it into a complete video in minutes. We've all been there, right? You've got an idea, but then comes the hard part. Scripting, voiceover, editing, choosing visuals. It takes hours. Well, Heygen's Video Agent just changed that entire process. Here's how it works. Inside Heygen, you click on Video Agent, then you type a simple idea. That's it. For example, make a 60-second explainer about the benefits of AI tools for small businesses. And in a few seconds, Heygen builds out everything. The script, the voiceover, the visuals and transitions, even background music. You can review it, make small tweaks, or just hit Generate Video. Let's actually see it in action. Here, I entered a quick idea about AI in education. And look, Heygen generated the full video, script, captions, and a clear voice that sounds human, not robotic. It even chose fitting stock clips and pacing, something that would have taken me hours to do manually. But the best part? You're still in control. You can tweak the visuals, swap voices, add your brand colors or logo, and it automatically adjusts everything to match. No separate editing app, no jumping between tools, just one smooth, intelligent video flow. What I really love about this is, it feels like your own AI co-creator. It doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. You still bring the ideas? Heygen just handles the heavy lifting. Whether you're a solo creator, a small business, or just someone who wants to explain ideas visually, this tool is a total time saver. So yeah, from a simple text idea to a fully produced, ready-to-share video, all in a few clicks. That's what the new Heygen Video Agent is all about. If you want to test it out, go to heygen.com and try the Video Agent feature. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd create with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.